4-in-1 MultiLadder, the all-in-one high-quality get-it-done helper. Look, we're all faced with so many difficult tasks at home every day. This is the incredible around-the-house helper that easily transforms in seconds and without tools into a dolly, a trolley, a hand truck and a step ladder. Use it as a dolly to move big, bulky stuff. Easily move up to 360 kilograms of virtually anything. A dresser, boxes, a couch, just about anything. Open into a cart without tools and use it for your retail park trips or tackle that big garden project and move your bags of soil, compost and more. Simply lift here and go from cart to hand truck. Perfect for going up and down stairs or moving things in tight spaces. Shifting heavy objects can be dangerous, but the hand truck helps you move things safely and easily. The 4-in-1 MultiLadder even rests at a 45-degree angle, so everything you put on it stays in place. Look at this! Open here to use it as a step ladder. There's even a handle at the top, and it's stable, making it sturdy and safe. The 4-in-1 MultiLadder has wheels to easily move it where you need it, and it folds up quickly for storage. Store it under your bed or in the understairs cupboard. It could take 4 separate items to do everything that the 4-in-1 MultiLadder does all in one. Go from this to this to this to this and back. Order yours today.